Hello friends, welcome to the CBS standards. Now today in this class particular session we are going to discuss about sexual reproduction in human, class X science, chapter how do organisms reproduce. Okay friends, and this is a part 2 of this video. In the part 1 I have already discussed what are the asexual mode of reproductions with different examples in that particular lecture. Okay friends, let us start this session. So before going to that, let us see what is sexual reproduction. Okay friends, before going to discuss about the sexual reproduction in human, it is very essential to know what is sexual reproduction. Friends, as we have already told, in asexual reproduction means without any sexes, but in sexual reproduction वो रिप्रोडक्शन को बोलेंगे जो रिप्रोडक्शन में बोथ मेल सेक्स एंड फीमेल सेक्स आर इन्वॉल्व। जो सेक्स में मेल पार्टनर और फीमेल पार्टनर इन्वॉल्व होते हैं तो उसको हमें सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन बोलते हैं। मीन्स बोथ द सेक्सेस और बोथ द पैटर्न्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड, दैट इज द मेल and female. Let us see male partner and female partner. It is the male pattern, this is your female partner. To see, and the male pattern produces spores. क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? स्पॉर्म, मेल स्पॉर्म देते एंड फीमेल्स ओवम देते, दैट मीन्स वी कैन से एग्स देते, तो एग्स एंड स्पॉर्म फ्यूजेस पर प्रोड्यूसिंग ए जाइगोट, that is a fertilized cell called zygote. Okay friends, and these are called this is the basis of life, means which later develops into embryo, fetus, then baby. Embryo, zygote, embryo, fetus, baby. So this is the what in a shortcut we can say what is sexual reproduction. ये प्रोसेस को हम sexual reproduction बोलते हैं। क्यों बोलते? बिकॉज both the sexes यहाँ इन्वॉल्व होते हैं। तो इज इट राइट? तो जो रिप्रोडक्शन में बोथ पार्टनर मेल फीमेल इन्वॉल्व होते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन। दिस इज द ओवरऑल आइडिया, ए शॉर्ट आइडिया ऑफ दिस सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन ह्यूमन. So sexual reproduction in human. The human sexual reproduction is consist of male reproductive system, and female reproductive system. Okay friends, मेल ह्यूमन सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में दो भाग में क्या बांटा है? वन इज योर आज हम बोल सकते हैं जैसे मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम बोलते हैं, और दूसरा और द नेक्स्ट वन इज कॉल्ड द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम प्रोड्यूसेस व्हाट? स्पर्म, as we have already discussed, and this produces what? Ovum. So then sperm. Let us see what is the male reproductive system detail. Human male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system consists of number one, a pair of testes. Number two, a pair of vas deferens. that is called sperm duct. वास्ट डिफरेंस को हम क्या बोलते हैं ना, स्पर्म डक्ट, अदरवाइज कॉल्ड एज स्पर्म डक्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्क्रोटम. स्क्रोटम दिस इज ए स्ट्रक्चर जहाँ पे फट टेस्टिज इज लोकेटेड, वेयर द टेस्टिज इज लोकेटेड, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्क्रोटम. नेक्स्ट इज योर एपिडिडाइमिस. एपिडिडाइमिस where sperm is stored temporarily, that is called epididymis. This is the scrotum where testis lies, where testis is located. Testis is held in this structure. Then number 5, what? Penis. Number 6, urethra. Okay friends, these are the structures of male reproductive, the parts of male reproductive system. A pair of testes, a pair of vas deferens or sperm duct, scrotum, epididymis, penis, urethra. 6 parts are there. So a pair of testes, generally a pair of testes are located in the abdomen, below the abdomen, the lower part of the body, because it is outside in order to maintain less temperature than the body temperature. So question may come, why the testes are located below the abdomen, outside, in order to maintain reduced टेम्परेचर, बॉडी का टेम्परेचर थोड़ा कम मेंटेन करने के लिए इसको बाहर रखा गया है, सो दैट इट कैन मेंटेन लेस टेम्परेचर दैन द बॉडी टेम्परेचर, दैट इज लेस दैन 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस, as we know that. This is called testis, and this testis produces what? Sperm by the process of gametogenesis, and sperm is nothing but a gamete, male gamete. Sperm is called a male gamete, and that gamete is produced by the process of gametogenesis. Next come to vas deferens. Vas deferens is otherwise called sperm duct. This sperm duct is connected from the testis to the urethra, in which it transfers the semen or sperm from the testis to the urethra. Next, scrotum. Scrotums, these are the structures, sac-like structures which capture, which support the testes, a pair of testes. The scrotum supports, in which it is sac-like structures where testes lies. Testes lies inside the scrotum. Okay. Next one is your epididymis. Epididymis is a structure where the sperm is stored temporarily. Sperm is stored temporarily. जो स्ट्रक्चर में व्हाइट स्पर्म स्टोर होता है थोड़ा देर के लिए और टेम्परली, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एपिडिडाइमिस. सो दिस आर. नेक्स्ट कम टू पेनिस. दिस इज द मेल genital organ. Male genital organ. It helps in, it is called the copulating organ. It is otherwise called as the copulating organ. We can write here copulating organ. So copulating organ, and this helps in the delivery of sperm from the male part of the body to the female part, female genitalia, that is vagina of female. Next is your urethra. This is the common opening in which both sperm and excretion, that means removal of urine take place. The common opening where the urine and the semen sperm is released is called the urethra. Friends, this is all about the details, set details about the human male reproductive system. Now let us see the structure and the different, where the different parts are lies, how they are located, what is their structure. Let us see. Structure of human male reproductive system. Structure of human male reproductive system. This is called bladder. This is called penis. This is called urethra. Okay, this is called urethra. Vas deferens. This is called vas deferens or sperm duct. Sperm duct. This is called sperm duct. These are testes. And seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles. Scrotum. This structure, outer structure, is called scrotum. This is called scrotum. This is called prostate gland. Prostate gland. So this is the structure of human male reproductive system, you can say. And human male reproductive system. Okay, now let us see the different functions of these organs. So this is all about what? Human male reproductive system, or the structure of human male reproductive system. In the next part I will discuss about the female reproductive system. Okay, bye. Thank you.